I'm Todd Combs of Shade Tree Customs. Got a new or an updated version of a very old style of knife, the old swing clasp knife. Last made popular by Barry Wood in the 70s and 60s. We've taken the design and updated it to some very strong magnets. So it holds very secure, no accidental opening in your pocket, and pretty much turns into a fixed blade in the open position. This current version is S30V steel, 775 aluminum, with some all stainless construction except for the magnets. We hope to do future patterns, Barlow Sodbuster, but we started with the equal end jack. It was real simple just to show off the design. And individually marked 1 to 99 on a special introductory run in blue and green. That's it.
You got, did you follow a Wood's pattern or anything?
Yeah, Barry, it's an old Barry, off the old Barry Wood design. I'm a collector of Barry Wood's knives. And about 3 years ago, I had the aha moment to replace the hard to machine and fit pin and socket with a pair of rare earth magnets.
All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.